Let's solve the linear congruence. 25x is congruent to 15 mod 29. Well, that's a linear congruence. There is no quadratic term or cubic term and so on. Obviously, you can think of, well, I'll write x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, and so on. I'll check up to 29. I'll get some value of x that satisfies this congruence. However, there is an easier method of doing it. Let's do it. We got the congruence 25x is congruent to 15 mod 29. Remember, basically, we want a integer x such that 25x minus 15 is divisible by 29. So we write 25 is 29 minus 4. I repeat, we just wrote 25 is 29 minus 4. Rest of the expression we simply copy as it is. 15 copied, modulo 29 copied. So far so good. What's the advantage? Well, we can write this expression is 29x minus 4x is congruent to 15 mod 29. Basically, we are looking at the multiple of 29. That's definitely 29x is divisible by 29, so we don't have to worry about it. We can say that we just want an integer x such that minus 4x is congruent to 15, or minus 4x plus 15 is divisible by 29. Okay, we did reduce the number 25 to just minus 4. Can we reduce it further? As we said earlier, we can just add or subtract 29 and the congruence will be maintained. So let's add 29. The rest of the expression we copy as it is. What we did, we just added 29 and we can say that minus 4x is congruent to 44 mod 29. That is, we can take 44 to the left hand side, or we can say that we can take minus common and say that 4x is congruent to minus 44. We simply multiply it by minus 1. That is 4x plus 44 is congruent to 0 mod 29. So 4x plus 44 must be divisible by 29. That is 4 times x plus 11 is congruent to 0 mod 29. But 4 cannot be divisible by 29. 4 and 29 are relatively prime, so x plus 11 must be congruent to 0. X plus 11 must be divisible by 29. That is, x must be congruent to minus 11 mod 29. Well, we don't want negative number, so we just add 29. That is, x is congruent to minus 11 plus 29 mod 29, and so x is congruent to 18 mod 29. And we did solve the congruence. We can simply choose x equal to 18, or we can choose 18 plus 29, or we can choose 18 plus 2 times 29, or we can choose 18 minus 2 times 29, and so on.